Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. First of all, you can open the Gmail application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply swipe down at the top of the screen and check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not stable, the reason of the issue is your internet, and the internet connection is stable, you can just simply do the few things to solve this issue. You can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store, and now you can tap on search. You can search Gmail, and here you can update the latest version of Gmail. After updating, the issue is solved, and the issue is not solved, you can just simply restart your device, and after restarting the device, you can just simply open the Gmail again and refresh the app, and after this the issue is 100% solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.